What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, Recess Beerban posted on Instagram a short video clip of her that shows that she was on work. Nadek is now on vacation together with mommy. Nadek Gimia posted on Instagram a cute photo of him with mommy and he captioned it, organizing an outing trip as a reward for the head of accounting department of Kugimiya Company for being a financial assistant for 10 years. Take photos all day, eat all day, and sleep all day. Dek was referring Mommy Kiao as she handled him for over the years and takes him with love and care. Mommy Kiao can't help it, but also shared on Instagram and she captioned it how lucky she is as a mother for him. Mommy Meow says, Mommy has been taking care of baby Barry always in every opportunity that the child is willing to be a giver. Mommy wishes you to be a prosperous in wealth, be happy, successful, and safe and lucky, and all wishes come true, and Mommy and Daddy loves you the most. As you can see, no wonder why people love Nadek very much. Even he is a superstar or ordinary person, he has such a good heart.